If you know how to create a virtual SRE, I'll leave you a description that doesn't explain how to do this process. Let's copy the name of the network. Let's paste it into the installed software. Let's open this icon. Let's open the Open Control panel. And here, under where this field with numbers appears, we paste the name. Let's click and join network. Well, we unfold this arrow and activate all these sub-options. They should be activated in Enable or VIA, and that's it. This processor is required for you to confirm that you are using the computer you want to send and the one you want to receive. If you want to add additional computers or phones, then that's it. And if you have your two devices under that network, then go to vMix and open Remote Output. Now, the output must be selected. Let's send everything we process in our event and select specific input. Then, select what you need. Then, open this configuration icon and enable it. Leave it in listener mode. You can use it in color mode, but I don't want to mess with you. So, I would leave it in listener mode. This value is measured in 1,000 seconds. That is, 1,000 seconds equals 1 second. Now, if you have some internet, then it's recommended that this value be around 500,000 seconds, which would be half a second. And in the best case, the ideal is to first take precautions to avoid making mistakes during your transmission. And finally, quality is also important here, in most various options. This is my machine 2 Parisi on the website. Okay, let's paste that and go to vMix, where we'll receive the signal. We set it to Hasnai. The port must be the same as the one we left in the Paisian Villas Senil. If required, we leave it at 10,000. We can lower or raise the latency. This also depends on your internet.